All right, let's talk about occupation. 仕事, occupation. When you're talking about occupation, you can also use I am, the occupation, job format, like 私は, and then say the occupation name, right? I wrote down a couple of the common occupation to go like to memorize. Obviously, if your occupation is not within, you can definitely look up on the dictionary as well, or you can feel free to connect with me on social media or over email, and I'll be happy to assist. Now, office worker, 会社員, office worker, 会社員, chef, 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 doctor, 医者, doctor, 医者, nurse, 看護師, nurse, 看護師, teacher, sensei, teacher, sensei, firefighter, 消防士, firefighter, 消防士, singer, 歌手, singer, 歌手, actor or actress, 男優 or 女優, banker, 銀行員, banker, 銀行員, police officer, 警察官, police officer, 警察官, student, 生徒, or you can also say 学生, 学生. All right? Now, repeat after me. 会社員、シェフ、医者、看護師、先生、消防士、歌手、男優、女優、銀行員、警察官、生徒 or 学生. All right? Very nice. So for example, if I want to say I'm a teacher, I can say 私は先生です。私は先生です。I can even add a little bit more of a detail. I am teacher of Japanese, so I can use a no and make it into 私は日本語の先生です。私は日本語の先生です。All right, give it a try. Let's see if you can say your occupation in Japanese. You got it? Very nice, very nice. Now, I also wrote down the school level, as in like different level of schools. Elementary school in Japanese is shogakko, middle school, chugakko, high school, koukou, university or college, daigaku, daigaku. And then we usually can combine it to say, gakusei, and then the school level to talk about, not occupation, but like what kind of student you are. So for example, if I want to say elementary school student, I can say shogakusei, shogakusei. Middle school student, I can say chugakusei, chugakusei. High school student, kokousei, kokousei. University or college student, 大学生, 大学生. This might also come in handy if you're talking about your family member. Like my sister is elementary school student, you can definitely use this, right? We'll go over the pronouns and, different subject, potential subject, like, sister, brother, mother, family members, right? So we'll go over those in a bit as well. If you're in university and you're talking about like, oh, I'm an economics student, I am a sociology student, you can also do that as well. I wrote down a couple of the major university majors right here. So for example, economics in Japanese is keizai gaku, sociology shakai gaku, political science seiji gaku, medical school, 医学, nursing, 看護学, psychology is 心理学. So you might have kind of noticed it, but 学 at the end means the area of study, right? So I can say like 経済学生, 社会学生, 政治学生, like that as well. If you want to add a little more details when you're talking about, I am a student, you can add those details as well. All right. Well done.